Well, that's where I'm at. I got a broken stud in the block. Have you ever been on a 5-minute job and then break a bolt and it turns into a 4-hour job? Here we are. So this time I'm going to attempt to get that stud out. We'll see how that goes. I'll do some common ways and maybe some better than common ways. We'll see. You be the judge. Oh, hello, and welcome to Better Than Common Garage. I'm your host, I think, for the most part. No, that was stupid. Look at that. Whoa. That was easy. Results will vary, but let me get my camera out here. Maybe. Oh, goodness. Okay, so it came out. It's still a little bit hot. That's not too bad. You saw what the process was, though. So I got the torch, busted out the old torch, and then heated it, cooled it off with some WD, try to get it to wick that lubricant in back behind in the threads there where it was corroded. And then did that a couple times. And then I welded the nut on, and as you see, I brought extra nuts. I wasn't all that confident that that was going to work. I assumed, and this is just from experience, that I would have been breaking the nut off, and then you just break it off to where break off the existing stud to where it's below the surface, and at that point you're all but, you know, down to drawing and tapping. But Lord willing, I was able to get this out in a relatively short amount of time. But that was good fun. Well, I'm going to end this one off here. Nice short one. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, let me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.